Reverend here. This channel will be following me on my journey in creating games, not really a tutorial, technical or coding channel. There are way better channels for that, lots of resources online. I will just be working on games on here, displaying what I've done. I currently have a game in mind and I would like to make it. I will start off with a prototype of the game. The prototype will be basic movement, camera controls for the player. There will be two types of enemies, one melee, one range, a boss with maybe 2 to 3 phases, and a level with obstacles that the player will have to navigate. This of course will be expanded as I move along. So why I'm doing this, I don't really have a long story why I want to do this. Like many people, I've always had ideas for games and I feel that now is the time to start. That's it. I do have some coding experience and have played with Unity a bit. I will be of course using Unity and Blender and any other free software. So the first things I need to do, I will of course be creating my own model and animations in Blender in the future. But for now, I will be using Mixamo for the animations. I will get the YBot character model as well as the 4 animations I need for now, which would be forward, back, left and right. From there I'll import them into Unity. I'll create a player object, add the model to the player object, then I'll add the camera as a child of the player object. I'll then implement the basic movement and camera controls. This is what it looks like. And the type of movement I want is of course straight and left and right, but also when you move the mouse, the player moves in that direction. So if I'm walking forward and I move left, player will go left. If I go right, player will go right. From here I'll implement jumping and maybe crouching, but that depends on what level obstacles I have in mind. I've also made use of a scriptable object for the input, as well as added a rigid body to the player controller. I will give more information as I go along and what I think of what I will do with the prototype. I'm definitely going to turn it into a full game, but I first have to see and of course learn every day, both Unity and Blender, mostly Unity for now. As the assets I can use Unity store assets for now. That should be fine, but I will definitely have to create my own. And once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.